In this video, I'm breaking down ClickFunnels versus Systeme.io. Which one is actually the best funnel builder for your business? If you're building online courses, selling products, or running digital marketing campaigns, this one's for you. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about ClickFunnels. It's been around longer and is super popular in the online marketing world. It has a clean drag-and-drop editor, tons of templates, and built-in tools like email marketing, membership portals, and A/B testing. It's great if you want to build high-converting sales funnels fast. But here's the catch. ClickFunnels can get expensive, especially once you add on extra features or need more funnels and traffic. Now let's look at Systeme.io. It's newer, more affordable, and all-in-one from the start. With Systeme.io, you get funnel building, email marketing, affiliate program support, and even course hosting, all included at a much lower price point than ClickFunnels. It's perfect if you're just starting out or want to do more without jumping between apps. The downside? Its interface isn't quite as smooth as ClickFunnels, and some advanced users might find it a bit limited for complex funnel setups. So who is each one good for? Go with ClickFunnels if you're scaling fast and need advanced features without limits. Pick Systeme.io if you're just getting started or want an all-in-one platform that won't break the bank. Both are solid, but your choice really comes down to your budget and how big you're planning to go. If this helped you out, hit like and subscribe for more honest tool reviews and digital marketing tips. See you next time.